Hi everyone, it's Deanna Kangas here, Director of Voicehouse, and this week's tip of the week is how to get started singing at home. Now, a lot of the time we get asked by people who don't feel like they're ready to start singing lessons with us in lessons, how they can get started at home. And you know what? It's really important to get started at home that you establish a practice routine. Most people don't know where to start or what they would even do. So our tips to start a practice routine would be kind of the same as going into the gym or doing a home workout, establishing what you're going to do each time so you have a structure to follow. The best basic structure would be to focus on learning a technique, practicing your warm-up. You need to warm up your voice every single time to avoid strain and injury. And then of course, repertoire. Picking a song that you would like to work on and singing it and trying to add in the techniques that you've learned. Now, of course, if you've ever tried this before, you'll know that it's easier said than done. So if you are having a little trouble, then head to our website, voicehouse.com.au, and book in an introductory session with a teacher, because when you work one-on-one with someone, they will be able to help you make the connection between the two. But if you want to get started, try out singing first and see if it's right for you before you commit to any lessons. Then go home, establish your practice routine, lock it into your calendar, make sure that you do it a few times a week, and that's the best way to get started. So there's my tip of the week, and I will see you next week. Best of luck with your singing in the meantime.